Are you trying to connect GitHub with ChatGPT Codex, but most tutorials you watched are outdated or not working? Let's fix that fast. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Codex with GitHub step by step in less than 2 minutes. First, open Codex. Now, from the left sidebar, click on the Plugins option. In the search box, type GitHub. Now click on Install Plugin. After that, click Continue to GitHub. A GitHub sign-in page will open. Here, sign into the GitHub account you want to connect with Codex. Complete the verification process if GitHub asks for it. Once your account is verified, click Open Codex. As you can see, the GitHub plugin is now installed and the connection has been established successfully. Now let's test whether Codex can access my GitHub repositories. I'll type a simple prompt and hit enter. As you can see, Codex can now access my GitHub repo successfully. That's it! Now your GitHub account is connected with ChatGPT Codex. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.